have to get you up out of there. Let's see if he gets through it.
Oh my God.
Look, yeah, he's getting stuck. Watch your face. Let him go through it.
No.
Yeah, because then I got to get a little bit of air.
Not that.
We'll call him Speedy. What do you think, Junior?
He's going pretty quick. Look at him.
Speedy? You want to call him Speedy?
You can wrong Speedy because he goes pretty quick. Those are not supposed to go that fast.
We'll call him Speedy. What do you think, Junior?
He's going pretty quick. Look at him.
Speedy? You want to call him Speedy?
You can wrong Speedy because he goes pretty quick. Those are not supposed to go that fast.
So we're going to have some shooting happening today. We ain't got all the rifles and stuff out yet, but so we got some BB guns for the kids. But we have 9mm, the Ruger, 357, another 22. Have you recording?
I don't. Nobody's got earplugs in either.
Hey, get the.
Don't need them now. We're just.
It's like,
You probably won't hear as much.
Ma Kelly, yeah.
That has a kick.
That gun.
Now don't hit the trigger yet. Hold on.
I found
Don't
that
hit the
gun.
trigger yet.
Only
Take your
paid
finger off
90
of it.
bucks
Take your
for
finger
it.
off.
That pink
You want to
one?
make sure
No.
you're aiming.
Oh.
The pink one I
Where you aiming at?
bought at
You
a
look in
gun
the scope.
shop.
Where you aiming at? There you go.
Nice job, Junior.
That's good.
I don't like when Brandy shoots. She shoots up all the targets.
So she's good.
Yeah. I don't know. I don't think we sighted in her new optic, though, so she
I'm
might
gonna come
be
down
off.
here, sorry.
Oh, you're all right.
Kicks a little bit, but not bad. All right.
It'll go through the groundhog. It'll take them out. Come here, it's firing.
Maybe that's gonna do it slow. But if he does it slow.
Crack together.
This was my bad eye, and I'm probably closing this.
There ain't nothing.
hoodie mask on and fire some.
He's giving ideas.
This is gonna cook.
Take some videos of people laying on the ground. Some videos of some piece of weapon and rapid gunfire.
It looks like it's just fun.
Okay, now everybody lay on the.
Found it.
Okay.
We rubbed off on.
Oh man!
I hit it.
They're ready.
Oh man!
Get your phone. Shoot toward the bottom. That's where the spring is.
Let me know when everybody's ready.
They're ready.
Oh man!
I hit it.
Hank, we figured we'd show you a video of the remnants of your explosive confetti. So this right here is where it was set up. As you can see, it derooted that. And the shreds of the fudge round box is all over. All over. Oh, we even way over there. And the fences, it shattered it, all the paper all over the place. So, pretty fun, brother. We hope y'all had a blessed day and have a blessed trip back home. God bless you.
Yep. Got one. Yeah. Look at that one. And Junior got one too.
No blue go.
Look at that one.
Yeah, it is a fat one. It's little though.
He's a little one.
Black cut big one with the
Look at that one.
That one's definitely big.
Yeah, he's a lot bigger than the last one.
But we got a
A
big
lot
one
bigger.
on this one.
Start reeling it in, Junior.
Yeah, that's
Reel it in. It's a big one.
might be a bass or a catfish. I don't know if it's not coming.
Might need to move that line.
Oh, it looks like a cat. Yep, a cat.
Reel it in, dude. Reel it in.
Yep.
Try it.
I know you are. I know.
Oh, you got it. Hang on. I'll go down there and get them stuck.
Is it stuck?
Nope. Right there.
Oh no. How big is it?
Well, Junior, you caught one.